Have you ever noticed your engine suddenly starting to shake or misfire while your fuel consumption mysteriously spikes for no apparent reason? This frustrating scenario is typical when the P3429 error code kicks in, indicating an open circuit in the cylinder 4 exhaust valve control system that has messed up your vehicle's cylinder deactivation feature. This system is designed to save you money by turning your V8 into a V4 during light loads. But when the engine control module detects the wrong voltage or resistance at the solenoid, it shuts the whole process down and might even disable the fuel injector to that cylinder to protect the engine. This code is particularly common in vehicles from Dodge, Jeep, and Chrysler that use variable valve timing solenoids to manage these shifts. And if you feel a noticeable misfire, you need to act fast to avoid damaging internal engine components. Interestingly, one of the most overlooked causes for this code isn't electrical at all, but rather low engine oil level or poor oil pressure, because the solenoids rely on clean oil flow to move the valve. Your troubleshooting path should always begin with checking your oil dipstick and ensuring the oil is clean and filled to the correct level before you start tearing into the electronic. After that, locate the cylinder 4 variable valve timing solenoid near the exhaust manifold and check the wiring for any signs of rubbing, bare spots, or melted plastic from the engine heat. Use a digital multimeter to check for continuity, looking for that ideal cipher ohms reading. And remember that replacing the solenoid should be your last step after you have confirmed that the oil passages are clear and the wiring is solid. Getting this fixed not only brings back your engine's smoothness, but also restores that fuel efficiency you were promised when you first bought the car.